We finally are back on our skis from what it seems to have been like, I don't know. How long has it been since we rode? April, you said? April. Since April. Oh, and it is now the beginning of July, so shame on us, but here we are. We're out here, guys. We are at Nokomis Beach boat ramp. For 4th of July weekend, guys, there's like no one out on this boat ramp. We checked the weather, everything looks good. But anyway, guys, last time we came out here, we had some issues with Brooks Ski. And even though we made it to Snake Island and explore, I kind of wasn't myself. So there was a lot of things that I missed. But anyway, stay tuned because we are headed there. We are headed back to Snake Island. It's a gorgeous morning out here, leaving Nokomis boat ramp. I think it's called Nokomis Beach Park boat ramp, but you know, don't quote me on that. There's plenty of parking in this boat ramp, so if you guys do plan on coming out to Snake Island and this is a place where you do plan on launching, it does have plenty of parking. Just make sure you guys are aware that the parking lot is very, very sandy, and especially after rain, there's a lot of craters and such, so definitely make sure that your vehicle is up to par, and so is your jet ski trailer or boat trailer before coming out here. There was a trailer on the in the parking lot that had broken axles, so I'm pretty sure it probably had something to do with those craters. There's quite the current out here, but anyway, beautiful day nonetheless out here. We got Miss Brooke back there. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Like I said, last time we came out here, guys, we had nothing but jet ski failures. Her reverse broke. The bucket actually was stuck down. And needless to say, it was not fun since we couldn't basically, I mean, it was hard to even just gain any speed, especially when navigating towards currents like this here. And this over here is the parking lot where we just launched from. Oh, there's our car. See it? Well, radar looks good, guys. I'm hoping that the weather actually does still hold up. You know the weather out here in Florida. Even though the radar says the coast is clear, you still never know. But with that said, if there's rain, usually if you wait about an hour or so, there'll be sunshine to follow. So we just live by those rules. The one thing we don't mess around with is thunderstorms. So, and it looks like where we're at today, it doesn't look like we're going to get any other storms. It looks like those storms are going to be towards the north of us, such as Anna Maria Island, Bradenton, Coquina Beach, etc. We were just out here on the beach. I think, what, 2 days ago? Friday. I don't know if we're going to be able to see it, but this was the trailer I was mentioning earlier that lost their axle. So definitely, guys, make sure your trailers are up to snuff. You can see it over there. I mean, it literally dropped the right-hand side axle. The wheel's gone, everything is gone. So again, I don't know if it happened in this lot or what. I would not be surprised since obviously the ski made it here somehow, but just be careful with this parking lot.
Wanna stay in the sun where I find, I know it's hard sometimes, pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes.
We're actually still on the Intercoastal Waterways. This is an idle speed zone, so it does make the trip to Snake Island a little bit longer than it normally would, but I've learned to appreciate these slow speed or idle zones. So over here on the left, that thing that looks like a tiki hut, that is a restaurant by the name of, what's it called, Pops? It's called Pops. We actually just had lunch there on Friday. And look, I mean, the one thing I've learned about the water is you can't expect the best food on the water, because sometimes I feel like you're paying for the environment and the atmosphere. But I gotta tell you, Pops was pretty good. So definitely recommend it. I got this ahi tuna bowl that they offer, and it was pretty freaking good. So again, it's Pops, and you guys can see it right there. on the right hand side. So definitely a great spot to check out whether you're on or off the water.
Taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much. 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 Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.
I see Snake Island. Can you imagine if this was a regular speed zone? We would have been there like what, 10 minutes ago?
Taking my time on my ride. I'm bored, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm bored, so I'm taking my time on my.
Brooke wants to go and explore the inlet out here, so we're gonna head there first before working our way to Snake Island. The Gulf should be flat. I mean, at least based on what this water's doing here.
Yeah, but I'm gonna follow you because of the, I don't know, shallow.
All right, and this is the inlet. I think we've flown our ski. I think we flew our drone here, right? Look at that water. You want to go towards the Gulf?
I said no road.
I have no idea. You ready?
Do you think it's rough?
No, it looks flat. They'll be fine. Just keep them on your head. On, like on your face.
Feels like we're driving to the ocean. Lost between the waves, treading water, but I'm open. Think you might come around, fix the poison that was spoken. Shadows in the dark, need your light to break them open. But I know it's not over. Feel the static, I can feel you getting closer. Send a floating like the
So this is Nokomis Beach over here on the right hand side. Hey, that's where we were just at. See the lifeguard house?
Yeah.
So look how much quicker it is when you're not doing no wait.
Yeah, but I just wanted to see this side of the beach area, like that end.
Yeah.
But we should start heading there. Look at that cloud.
All right, let's do it. Let me put... There is always that one cloud that sneaks up on you. So you guys can see we made it. We are officially on Snake Island.
Cloudy?
Yep. Oh, it drops off pretty good here. You see it?
Am I tied up? No.
You were tied up.
Oh.
You wanted to go ride more, huh?
Yeah, but I was a little worried about that cloud right there.
I don't see this cloud doing anything. Holy smokes, it just started pouring, guys. Again, we're certain there is no thunder in this storm cloud here above us, but it is definitely coming down pretty good. But it drops off pretty good right after this, so. Now I want it to rain some more.
Some more?
Yeah, it feels good.
It's like you're in a shower.
Yep, it is. No idea what the heck happened to the water. We were just sitting out here. It was that beautiful turquoise, and then all of a sudden, this is what we're dealing with. Mark, what happened?
What up? Dude, I don't know, man. I think someone flushed the toilet over there.
It was Ava.
Yeah.
You look suspicious.
Why?
Yes, you do.
Why?
You were the first one out of the
She's
water.
Like, I'm gonna get out now.
So ladies and gentlemen, I have no idea what the heck happened to our water here. Like I mentioned earlier, it was, as you guys saw actually, I don't even have to mention it, it was super, super clear and clean. And we're still dealing with this muck.
We could go up right here.
You wanna go up?
Yeah.
Let's go, check it out. Oh. I think that's why I like it here. It's just super, super peaceful. They're really, really strict around loud music and just loudness in general. Really, really cool spot. Well, it looks like the water's kind of brown throughout, huh? Such a cool spot though. Like I said, it way better when the water's clear, but it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta take what nature gives, right? It's just weird, like even the inlet just got, it's not as clear as it was. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Look at this. I cannot believe it's been this long since we've been out here exploring. And when I say out here, I don't mean out here like Snake Island. I just mean out on our skis in general. Look at the water here. Ooh, be careful. You good? You want to walk down that way? No way. There we go. Do it! Guys, it's gotta be so freaking awesome to just grow up just on the water like that.
I thought you were gonna say something like jumping off bridges.
Yep, it's gotta be so awesome to jump off bridges.